Isn't this the life, kiddo? Isn't this the life? We have the shelter to ourselves tonight. I was able to scrounge enough money for you to get a kid's meal. Oh, look at those fries. They're so cute. They're bear size. What? Stop talking with your mouth full. I don't care if Eric Cooper does it. That doesn't mean you have to do it. What does Eric Cooper have to do with anything? What do you mean hold my hand up to my chin and look at the sky? It's like it's gonna... Oh yeah.
Milo Beasley.
You're right, Mr. Bearsley. If it's good enough for Eric Cooper, then it's good enough for me. Eric Cooper, come June 15th, Hurricane Havok. Let me know how the elbow tastes for the 4th time. No, we can't play shirts for skins. It's pool. Weirdo.